y'all, we doing something new. So, without further ado, let's get to it.
Hey y'all, hey YouTube channel and my Facebook group CCBAB. Hello YouTube and CCBAB, welcome. Okay, so you can see now that I am sharing the screen of my cell phone, and today we're going to do a quick tutorial on one of the apps I have on my cell phone. I promised one of the members in my Facebook group CCBAB I'll start doing occasional short tutorials on some of the apps I use, because I use a lot of apps. So the first one we're going to do is the Photos app. I'm going to show you how to group photos together by face. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to hit the Photos app. So this is a Google Photos app, which is the default app for Android phones. I have an Android. You also have Google Photos on your iPhone. You just have to turn it on. The first thing we'll do once we get into the photo app is we'll go down to the bottom right, and that's the library. You're going to hit library and you're going to see all the folders that I have made. If you will look at here, the untitled album, that is an album with pictures of me. And you'll see that it has 5327. That's how many items it got in there. So if you'll open this up, this has all pictures and videos that have something to do with me. So all of them have a picture of me somewhere in there. If you'll see these two cartoons, that's a friend of mine that I did her cartoon, Miss Rebecca. And I know you're wondering why that's showing up. If you look really closely, you can see it has a watermark, which is my logo that has a picture of me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to delete this album, and I'm going to show you how to make an album, okay? The first thing you're going to do after going in your photo app and hitting library, you're going to go down here to album and hit the plus sign. Once you hit the plus sign, you can go ahead and name your album. My name of my album is going to be me, because it's going to be me. There are two ways to add pictures to the album. You have the select people and pets, which is an auto-updated album. Every time it has a picture that contains one of the pictures that you selected, it will automatically update. You can also use the select photos and you can manually update them, but we're going to do the auto update. So you're going to go right here and you're going to press select people and pets. I'm going to scroll through there quick because I have a folder with my clients information. So pictures, I'm gonna when you see something pop up, that's because I covered up the client folder. So you're gonna hit that, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll through and pick the picture that you want the album to surround itself with. I mean, you want the album to build upon. So I'm gonna pick pictures of me. That's me, that's me, and that's me. And I can actually go through and select more pictures, but I think those three are going to be okay. And then I'm going to hit confirm. Once I hit confirm, now the app is going through and it is updating and loading pictures. It's looking for pictures with my face in them. So you'll see it's starting off right because these were the pictures that were at the top of the other album that we just deleted. So we're going to go back out and you'll see right now it only has 14 items. So what it is doing now is going to go through all my pictures and it's going to upload pictures of me. Even though you see I'm in other albums, it's going to take all them pictures and going to put them in one photo album. So right now we at 444. And while we're waiting on those pictures to add and update, let's take care of a little house business. For those of you who are returning subscribers, welcome back and thank you. Woo! Thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please look below the video to the red subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For everyone, please hit the notifications and ring the bell, ding, 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 so you'll be notified when I upload new content. For those of you who like the video, go ahead and put a thumbs up on there. Sorry about that. My cell phone blinked off because, it's got that timer on there. If I don't touch it in a certain amount of time, it'll go ahead and go dark. So right now we at 1587 items. We going up to, I think it was 5327, 5328, something like that. So we're waiting to get to that many pictures. Now, if you find that you do not like this video, you can go ahead and hit that thumbs down, but do me a favor. If you hit thumbs down, go ahead and leave me a comment so that you can tell me what I did wrong. So hopefully I can fix it on the next video. And for everybody, please leave a comment and share this page with your crafting friends. So while we're waiting on that, let's go and see some other apps that I have on my phone. Sorry about that. Again, time out. So we'll go to Business Essential. Now, these are some of the apps that I use in my business. You'll see I have a video on these apps somewhere in here. But what I wanted to bring your attention to is on the right-hand side, 3 down, that app that says Let's View. Let's View. That's the app I'm using right now. It allows me to share my phone screen to my phone screen to my computer, and it allows me to record. It also allows me to share my computer screen on my phone, and I can record that way also. Let me open that back up. Now, because I have an Android, I do not have screen recording. I don't have that capability. That's why I downloaded this app called Let's View. You have to put it on your cell phone and your computer, then you can do all these amazing things. Another app I use is Add Watermark. Add Watermark. That is very important to use when you're displaying your work. Now, it's not 100% because people will steal your work and they'll post it with your watermark on it. But this actually helps keep it at a minimum, okay? So let me go ahead, and you're going to get a 2 for 1. While them pictures are uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this Watermark app. So you're going to hit that Watermark app. Now, you can do Watermark on videos. You can do Watermark on images. Now, that is a paid premium subscription. I have a premium subscription. If you do not have a premium subscription, I believe you can apply on images only. So once I do that, I'm going to go ahead and put apply on images. Once I hit apply on images, I have to find the images that I want to apply the watermark on. So you'll see all these different folders I have. So I'm going to do this one right here. This is one I did earlier. Again, this is my friend Rebecca. I talked to her and she said I can use her picture on here. And the guy at the bottom is ding, ding, ding. That's my cousin Tony. Ain't he cute? But he's taken. But anyway, let's get back to it. So you're going to hit the picture that you want to put the watermark on, or pictures. You can do more than one. You can do up to 200 at one time. Once I do that, I'm going to hit done. When I hit done, it takes me to this screen and it tells me to select a watermark. You see, I have my logo already in there, but if I wanted to create a watermark, I can hit create watermark, or I can use one of these that they have pre-made and put my information in there, or I can select from gallery to a watermark that I uploaded. However, I'm going to select mine. Once I hit that, I hit select. Once I hit select, there's several different ways. I can freestyle it, that is this. I can put it anywhere I want. I can go small, I can go big. Once I go small, I go big. I can change the opacity, make it lighter, make it darker. I can change the main color in it. That's that line up above. I don't want to mess it up because once I mess with it, I mess it all up. I can do the cross where it just puts a big picture of me and with the X, and again, I can take that and I can lighten that up as light as I want. Or I can do the tile effect where it has these different tiles of me over and over again. Again, I can lighten it up, I can darken it, and I can also make them small, make them big, and I can do the second line, I can turn them, reverse, flip it and reverse it. So that's a little app, and that's a little extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna say that watermark. Yeah, I realize I got myself upside down, but that's okay. Once I do that, I can hit the save disc up at the top right, and it will save it. You do not have to wait on it to save. Another thing about this, you can do more than one picture at a time, or you can upload 200 and put them in different places each picture, because sometimes you'll want the watermark as a tile, sometimes you might want to freestyle it, and sometimes you might want to do the X. So there you go. Let's go back to this photo app and see where we at. Okay, there we go. We're right there, 5327. So this app actually added all the pictures back in of me. Again, it does pictures and it does videos. So when I'm ready to use it, instead of me going through my photos, which I have about 100,000 photos on here because they're backed up on my Google account, instead of doing that, I can just go to that folder that's titled Me, and I can find all the pictures with me in there, or I can go to whatever folder I have put together. So that's going to end this quick class, 15 minutes or less, courtesy of CCBAB, my crafting group, asked that I start making these little short videos. So here you go, and we will see you next time. I hope you all have a good one. Bye-bye, and thank you so much.